This was 1 second away from disaster. Good thing the biker's reflexes were on point. Pretty sure that Karen was about to take this biker hostage till he fixed her car.
The police are on the way for you.
What the hell is wrong with you? I haven't even done it.
Don't you give me attitude. You're not going anywhere.
What the...
Whoa, that was way too close for comfort.
Первое стопе на файзере. Страшно было. Я думал, мы въебемся, если честно. Прям, блядь, ну на камере было видно, там нахуй вот столько было. Вот прям столько. Если бы он газ не нажал, нахуй, мы б ебались бы, блядь.
Dude probably felt his soul leave his body for a second. Now that's a close call. What a legendary save right there. Not see that slap coming. Apparently, being faithful is a crime these days.
Yeah. You know, I've never been on a motorcycle before. I've always wanted to try. Can I take you for a ride sometime?
Oh, you asked me? You're asking the wrong guy. I have a girlfriend, so unfortunately it's going to be a no from me. I'll still appreciate it, though.
I don't see her anywhere.
Huh?
So I don't see her anywhere.
What are you trying to say?
I mean, like, she's not here. She doesn't have to, you know?
What kind of guy do I look like to you?
I don't know. A nice guy?
Not that nice of a guy.
What, she doesn't let you have friends?
I don't know. I'm just not comfortable with that.
Oh, it'll be fun. She doesn't even have to know.
Regardless of if she knows or not, it's not really something that I want to do.
You won't regret it. I promise you that.
I think I might. There are plenty of other dudes that ride motorcycles that will be more than willing to take you for a ride.
Oh, fuck you anyways.
He had to repeat the same words 5 times before the gullible driver finally got it.
Look at your mirrors first before you turn. What? Look at your mirrors first before you turn. I said, look at your mirrors first before you turn, bro. Why are you turning in front of me? Get my fucking way. I didn't see, bro. All right.
A biker nearly hit a pedestrian who decided to cross traffic without even looking.
Oh, caramba. Ô, mano, não faz isso, velho. Não faz isso, meu irmão.
Calma, tá tudo bem.
Você tá bem?
Acontece.
Não, não tô preocupado com a moto.
Calma.
Você tá bem, mano?
Tô bem. Se deu prejuízo aí, eu vou te ajudar a pagar. Fica calmo, valeu? Encosta a moto aí.
Você não usou o braço não, mano?
Não, machucou não.
Você tá de boa? Tá de boa mesmo?
O importante é ficar bem, pô. Você é motoqueiro, valeu? Você tá bem? Se quer pegar
Tô
meu
com Deus.
aí, dá algum
Não,
problema?
só o susto. Não aconteceu nada com a moto
Deus
nenhuma.
abençoe.
Vai com Deus, vai com Deus.
Não pago, pô, não tem problema não.
Não aconteceu nada.
Não aconteceu nada não. Então, Deus abençoe, valeu?
Valeu, mano. Com Deus.
Gotta love how bikers check on each other after a crash. That's real road brotherhood right there.
You good? You good? All right. You good? All right. You got your phone? You want me to call anybody? You want me to call anybody? The fire department's right here too.
Look, dude, you're lucky your head almost went under that great pond.
Now that's a crash if I've ever seen one.
Everybody all right? Dude, that was pretty rough, bro. Holy crap. I was right there when I saw it all. It was them too. I was right there and I saw it all. I mean, considering what that looks like, that's not that bad. That's where it hit right here. Dang. Why did it hold up so good?
The way people drive like road rules are just a suggestion.
What are you doing?
This Audi rear-ended a biker, and the driver's wife came out swinging like it was his fault. I don't know where the driver was looking, but it's definitely not the biker's fault. What was the van driver thinking, turning in the middle of the road just to hit a parking lot?
Unbelievable.
Never understand why random people get so aggressive for no reason. The biker clearly saw the old man and slowed down.
What's that? Bruh, I see him. Trust me, I see him. What? I know, I see him, bro. You ain't got a trip. You're causing more of a scene than I ever will. Yeah, you want to do something about it or what? You want to do something about it or what? Yeah, keep riding, piece of shit.
What the hell happened to that Mercedes, man?
You got something hanging off here.
Something hanging off? Okay. Look at the stock.
This dog appeared out of nowhere and went straight for the biker's leg. Easily the funniest encounter I've ever seen.
This place doesn't have power.
This car driver screeched to a halt mid-turn when he spotted a biker coming straight at him, barely dodging a close call.
Version of Pinnacle Moto, and is out there doing some naughty stuff now and again.
This biker spotted a white van speeding through narrow streets at night with no lights on, but that's nothing compared to what happened when he confronted the driver.
Some lights. What? Lights. No, put the lights on. Put the lights on. He has no lights on.
A biker was speeding down the highway when his handlebar decided to take a power nap and fall off. Good thing he kept his cool, or that could have ended ugly. The man literally dangled off his bike and surfed the road, yet somehow he just got up and walked away. Gotta love what adrenaline does.
Yo, bro! Yo, holy sh**. You good? Hey, I got it. Okay, you good, bro? Yo, relax. Oh, brother!
A biker watched another rider wipe out on a curve and roll off to the side, but thankfully, he walked it off just fine.
You guys okay?
This young biker was dressed for the slide, not the ride. This biker took the corner a little too confidently, and the asphalt took it personally. Speed through traffic is beyond me. Luckily, he was alright and got up fine. That's a nasty hit. Thankfully, the ambulance showed up in time. But seriously, think about your safety out there. This kid didn't hesitate for a second, ran up to a biker, revved his bike, and walked off like a true legend. Yeah, boy. This taxi ran a red light, then had the audacity to argue with the biker who called him out.
You taxi driver, red light. You not see the red light? Did you not see the red light, huh?
You look at that light, yo.
Huh?
You look at that light, yo. No look.
You look,
what
you were on red light.
What problem?
Your problem.
Go away, my friend.
No, I won't go away.
Go away.
He's not driving, yeah? He could have run somebody over. Live off.
Probably the most wholesome encounter ever between a biker and a rookie driver.
Battery status.
Hey, mate.
Mate, I'm not going to tell you off for anything, right? You're obviously a new driver, but you're going to kill a biker. Just be careful when you're coming on a slip road, boys. Yeah, just to prove there's no hard feelings. By the time you've eaten them, you'll feel a lot better. Drive safe, mate. Take your time. Shut the f*** up. Let him take his time, he's a new driver. Let him take his time. Don't rush, mate. Don't rush. He's a new driver. Take his time, yeah? Drive safe, mate. He's a new driver. Leave him alone.
A couple of bikers were tearing up the Trans-Euro Trail in Denmark when they both pulled a funny little slip and slide turning onto a dirt road.
Waarom doe jij dat ook dan? Optillen. Waarom val jij ook? Dat begrijp ik dan weer niet.
This cyclist was weaving across the road in front of a speeding biker, like he's begging for a crash.
Oh! Wow! Get out, man! Come on!
Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. This biker acted like he owned the road, slithering from lane to lane like a snake. And he got what he deserved in the funniest way.
It took you 4 fucking seconds to piss me off again!
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
I swear some drivers just turn right into the left lane like checking the road is optional.
Bro, what the? Bro, what the? Bro? What the? That guy pulled out right in front of me. This is what you have to deal with when you're a biker, bro. That was close as hell.
Gravity doesn't play nice on hills, and he learned that the hard way.
No. No.
This was a perfect meet cute with the asphalt.
She was the meanest cat.
I've got no words for this one. You just gotta see it yourself.
Oh, you good?
You can tell that this driver woke up and chose violence as the mood of the day.
You don't give a f***. I can see that. I'm asking you, what's your problem? You gonna make me? You gonna make me? You ain't gonna do jack shit. You ain't What's your problem?
this biker made those kids' day. This dude ran into the middle of the road like he's got a death wish or something. This driver thought red means go and ran straight through the light. I think we've all been there, am I right? This guy's parking like he's the main character and everyone else is an extra. This biker found a mirror cover chilling in traffic, chased down the owner, gave it back, and even taught him how to put it on.
More or less something. No, please. Look, the turn is kind of broken. You're going to have to put it back in somehow, you know? You can get it out, right? Because it's with the cable. Oh yeah.
They say that a cat with gloves doesn't catch mice. No.
Well, if it doesn't matter. No, I'll leave it here for you, kind of. And if you can hook it up like this, it'll be fine. There you go. Bye, dude.
Thank God the biker braked in time, or this could have ended really bad for both the biker and the clueless driver.
Sen ne yapıyorsun?
İyi, ne yapıyorum?
Önüme niye giriyorsun dayı?
Nerede?
Ben de yanından geliyorum ya böyle. Görmedin mi beni yanındayken?
Nereden görüyorsun?
Nasıl nereden geliyorsun? Baksana bir sağına sonuna girerken.
Ya sen sağından geliyorsun.
Ne diyorsun abi? Abi ayrana baktın mı? Ayrana baktın mı? Ben 10 dakikada burada arabanın geçmesini bekliyorum. Özür diledin mi?
Özür dilemedim. Siz bizde olduğunu kabul etmedik mi? Yani kameralar açık diye niye hemen bağırıyorsun abi? Ben sana hiç bağırdım mı?
Ben şarkı çalıyordu, sen özür dilerken ben şarkı dinledim, özür dilerim duymamıştım. Ben zaten sen böyle gözlerini çatınca dedim herhalde bir sıkıntı çıktı. Ya eyvallah abi.
If you're enjoying this content, you won't want to miss this video right here. It's just as wild, if not crazier. Check it out.